How to enable or disable Windows services. Windows services are background processes that keep your operating system and applications running smoothly. Some are critical to system stability, while others are optional and can be disabled or enabled when needed. In this video, we'll show you how to manage them. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why managing Windows services matters. First, why is it important to manage Windows services on your device? Well, doing so can have a significant impact on your system's performance and security. Disabling unused or deprecated services can free up resources, improve response times, and even reduce your device's attack surface. Before you begin, if you plan on making changes to your settings, keep these points in mind. This applies to all versions of Windows 10 and 11. You'll need administrator privileges to modify services, and most importantly, always back up your system before proceeding. How to enable or disable Windows services. There are several ways to enable or disable Windows services on your system. Let's start with the easiest one, using the Services Console. Method 1, Services Console. Start by pressing Win+R, typing services.msc and hitting OK. Locate the service you want to modify and double-click it. Under the General tab, find Startup Type and choose one of the following. For automatic, delayed start, the service starts after a short boot delay. For automatic, it starts when the system boots. For manual, it starts only when triggered by the user, and disabled prevents the service from starting at all. When you're done, click Apply and OK to save your changes. Method 2, PowerShell. Simply open PowerShell as an administrator and use these commands, replacing service name with the service you want to modify. This command, stop service name, stops a service immediately. This one, start service-name, starts a service. Lastly, this one, set service-name, startup type manual, changes the startup type to manual. The startup type can also be changed to automatic or be disabled completely. Method 3, command prompt. If you prefer the command prompt, you can use the sc.exe utility. Run command prompt as an administrator and input the following commands. This sc stop service name stops a service. This sc config service name start equals auto sets the startup type to automatic, though auto can be changed to demand for manual startup. Finally, this one, sc config service name start equals disabled, disables the service completely. In the end, you can manage Windows services through the Services Console, PowerShell, or command prompt, all effective methods for both personal and enterprise setups. Just remember to make backups, verify dependencies, and only modify what you fully understand. For more information, check out our official blog post on enabling or disabling Windows services, linked in the description below.